How to use Autosum on Excel. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to use the Autosum function on Excel. So let's get into it. Now, to get started, first off, we are going to input some data, and don't worry, Excel is so easy to use. I used to run away from Excel as well. I thought it would be so difficult and so complicated, but I never realized that it was pretty easy to use Microsoft Excel all along. So first off, let's say I'm going to calculate the regional sales. So I'm going to create a chart for the regional sales and I'm going to enter different regions. Or instead of regional sales, I can also do it sales by per manager. So I can enter that as well. I'm going to do that instead. And then I'm just going to enter some manager names. So now you can see over here, I've entered 3 names and I'm just going to expand these cells so you have a better view of what everything is going to look like. And I'm just going to make sure everything is all organized. Now, after that, let's say I'm going to enter another column. And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to enter the yearly quarter. So it's going to be yearly quarter 1, yearly quarter 2, and then yearly quarter 3. And then in the last column, I want the sum. And then below that, other than my yearly quarter sums for each individual sales manager, I also want the quarterly sum. So I want a sum at the bottom as well. Now, how do you automate this? So first off, I'm going to input some random data. So now you can see over here, I have input some random data. Now I'm just going to color this so you guys have a better understanding of what our data is looking like this. And then I'm just going to merge these cells. So on the top, I'm just going to select the top row of cells, click on merge and center. And I will just zoom in on this so you guys can better see. Now you can see over here, I have sales per manager, and then I'm going to change the individual color of this. So I'm just going to make it like a lighter blue, and this could be a different shade. So this could be like a light orange, and then quarter 3 could actually be different color like this. And then for each individual person, I would just leave it like that. Now, how do you enter the automated sum? Well, I'm just going to select this cell over here, and I'm going to type in is equal to, and then I'm going to type in sum, and then I'm going to select the sum folder over here, and now I'm going to select the data over here. So this is the sum of all of these cells, and then I'm going to enter another bracket. So you're just going to select the cells you want this to be a sum of, and now you can see you have the sum. Now once you do that, you're just going to select this cell, and you're going to see this green outline up here. You're going to select this button that you will see over here with the green outline and just drag it, and now you can see you have automatically created this automation over here. So you can see this is the sum of each individual sales per manager. Now below that, in this section over here, I want the sum of the sales per quarter instead of per manager. So this would be a downward sum. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in sum over here, and now I just want to change the color of this section to, so after changing this color, I'm going to merge these 2 cells because I want like a unanimous look like this. And then after that, what I'm just going to do is I'm going to select these cells, or you can just select these cells like this and click on merge across just to merge these cells if you want. If you don't want to do that, you can just skip that. But you can also select these 2 cells over here just so if you want a larger input data field. So I'm just going to select these 2 cells and then merge them like so. So I have like a larger section for the summation. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this cell, click on is equal to, type in sum. And then you also have other functions, but we're going to focus on that. And we're just going to select our top cell and then the bottom cell. And then we're going to enter a bracket. And then we're just going to click on return. And now once I select this cell, I'm going to click on this green outline. It shows this green outline. You're going to see this dot on the bottom right, and then I'm going to drag this. So now I have just dragged this over here. You can drag it however you want. So I will just do that and drag this like this. And now I have the horizontal and now the vertical summation of all the quarters. So I can not only manage the sales per manager, I can highlight this data, and then the sales per quarter is this data, and I have the sum of both of these. So that is how simple and easy it really is to add the sum function on your Excel sheets. You can really do a lot more as well with the sum function. Other than that, you also have other things that you can do. For example, if you want to restructure your data, you can also do that. So if you select these cells over here, you can click on formulas, and then you can click on count numbers, maximum, minimum. So you can choose to enter the maximum and minimum values. Then you also have other functions, such as, like, if I go over here and I add some logical functions, or you can also add count numbers function. So you can see these are 4 numbers, and you have other functions as well. And now this is like a simple sum function that we have used. If you click on your formula, you can have other mathematical formulas added to a simple sum function. Then you also have things like max, sum if, and then you can enter certain conditions as well if you want to do those more complicated sums as well. So if we take a look at our simple sheets over here, it is just so simple and easy to add different sums and different sheets onto your sections. Now, not only this, if your data is in money, so if this is all illustrative of dollars, then what I can do is I can select all of these fields that are illustrating money, and I can click on home on the top left over here. And then once I click on home, I'm going to click on this icon over here, which is the accounting number format. And if I click on this arrow, I can choose the specific currency I wanted to illustrate. So I can choose more accounting formats, and then this will show me more formats that I want. So maybe I want the dollar sign like this, just like that. I have the dollar sign now. And if you want to align this text all to the center, you can just select all your text and click on the center function over here to have all of your data present within the center of each of your cell, like so. That was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.